So no, sir, it will be helpful for OBT, so you are teaching now, sir.
Sure. It, so in NCERT means we should discuss a basic concept. Sequence and series, right? So in every subject, first we should complete that NCERT, then we'll go for OBT, right? Students, what is the mean by sequence and series? That you know very well. Okay, already you studied about sequence and series. You know that nth term of arithmetic progression, sum of n terms of arithmetic progression, sum of n terms of geometric progression, sum of n terms of geometric progression, sum of infinite terms of geometric progression. Yes or no? When r is greater than 1, r is lesser than 1, r is equal to 1. Clear? Is it clear? So, but we will discuss once again. We can recap about this sequence and series. So, what is the mean by sequence? Sequence is a function. So, what is the domain of the function? What is the range of the function? So, let us discuss everything. Okay. So, first, I'm going to discuss about sequence. Okay. So, clearly, sequence is a function whose domain is set of natural numbers. Set of natural numbers. Remember that. So I'm going to take Sn. So sequence, generally the sequence can be denoted by like An. Okay. So or else Tn. Right. Look at here. Domain is what? Domain, you have to remember that domain always natural number. So depending on the function, we are going to get the output of the sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. If I define the sequence like this is Tn, for example, Tn is equal to like n square. We may get output is here in this case, when I substitute n is equal to 1, 1, 4, 9, so on. If I take Tn is equal to some 2n, so in that case, input is always the natural numbers. The output is depending on the defined function. 2n means 2, 4, 6, so on. If I take that sequence as like n cube nothing but so 1, 8, 27, 64, so on like that. So, but domain is fixed. So simply remember that sequence is a function whose domain is set of natural numbers. Okay. So like that we will get. So now, right, there are different types of sequence are there. First, the main important is a real sequence. Okay, first we will discuss about real sequence. What is the mean by real sequence? Yes, so the sequence whose range is subset to see a real number, then that is called real sequence. Sometimes, you know, depending on the function, if I take Tn, nth term, or An, if I consider like n plus iota n square is there. N plus iota n square means nothing but what about the range, amma? What about the output? Input is natural numbers. Output will be
Complex number.
complex number. So we can't say that is a real sequence. Real sequence nothing but output must be a real number. That you have to remember that. Next, so here sequence generally the sequence I told you like it's every sequence having that first term, second term, third term, so on. That first term I want to take as A1, A2, A3, so on, AN, so on. This is called a sequence. In sequence also two types is there: finite sequence is there, infinite sequence is there. So the sequence contain finite number of terms is called finite sequence. The sequence contain infinite number of terms is called infinite sequence. So this finite sequence or infinite sequence? Yes,
Infinite.
infinite with so on there. If I stop at here at an, then this is called the finite sequence. So if you understood the sequence, series is easy. What is the mean by series? Series.
Set.
Yes.
No, sir.
Yes. See here, if I take your same above A1, A2, A3, so on, AN, so on, BA is a sequence, is a sequence. Okay. Then the expression. What is the expression? Then the expression A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus so on plus AN plus so on is called the series. Series means the sum of the given terms of the sequence is given by the series. That's it. Sequence means we have to take individual A1 comma A2 comma separate. But when we are adding all the terms of the sequence is given by the series. In series also same, finite series is there, infinite series is there. The series contain finite number of terms is called finite series. The series contain infinite number of terms is called infinite series. Okay, fine. Now, then progression. What is the mean by progression, students? Progression. We will discuss about progression. So progressions are two types that you know that three types: arithmetic progression, geometric progression. Another one is
Harmonic progression.
Harmonic.
yes, and progression nothing but what? Progression nothing but so
Set
here,
of sequence.
yeah, it is not necessary that the terms of a sequence always follow a certain pattern. Progression in the sense not necessary that it should be follow some certain pattern. They are described by some explicit formula like explicit function, implicit function is there. So y is equal to, if we write f of x form, this is called explicit function. Example, I'm going to give y is equal to some x square, y is equal to sine x, y is equal to e power x, y is equal to e power x, y is equal to log x. These are all examples of explicit functions. Explicit means y separate and remaining y is a function in terms of x. It may be x square, x cube, x power n. So remember that. And what is the mean by implicit function? Implicit function means f of x comma y is equal to 0. So means we cannot write y is equal to f of x form. Y is a function in terms of x. We cannot separate. See here, y is one side, x is another side. Then that is called explicit function. Implicit means we cannot write. For example, sine of xy plus y is equal to 0. Can you able to write y is equal to something here in terms of only x? Can you separate? Is it possible here? Y is here, y is here. We cannot separate. Y is
We can simplify it.
yeah. Even if you simplify also, we cannot separate.
Sir, we can write y equal to minus of sin x y.
Sin xy again. Y is there no another side. Y is equal to minus sin xy. Okay. Did you separated that y alone one side?
We can't do, sir.
We can't do. This is called implicit function. So for example, x square plus xy plus y square is equal to 0. Can you write y is equal to something here? Y is equal to f of x form? No. So these are the examples of implicit function. Okay. Right. Here progression
Instead of
also.
xy, if it is, sir, instead of xy, if there is 2xy, then we can simplify now, sir.
Instead of xy, 2xy. Okay, fine. That time, okay. That time. So like that time also, what shall we do here? X plus y the whole square. X plus y the whole square. Right? Now, so is equal to
Equal
0,
to
then
0, sir. So
yeah, x is equal to
minus y.
like that we can, yes, exactly. So this is nothing but okay. Wait him just a minute. Okay, students, right. Progression. So progression in the nothing but I told you it should not be like we cannot write the terms in particular certain pattern. That only you have to remember, that is progression, arithmetic progression. So see here, what is the nth term formula? Okay, arithmetic progression.
Sir, A
Arithmetic
of n,
progression is
an, sir, an is
a,
equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, sir.
yes, exactly. An, or else it can be denoted by Tn, nth term. Okay, this can be written as a plus n minus 1 into d. So here AP, arithmetic progression, is a sequence. Okay, so it might be a increase or decrease by certain by a fixed number. For example, can anyone give the example for this arithmetic progression? Examples.
So 2,
1,
4,
2,
6, 8,
3.
10.
Is it AP? Is it in AP?
That is, sir.
Yes. Okay, and
Sir, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, odd integers.
exactly 15, 12. Yes, 9, so on. Is it AP or not?
Yes, sir. Difference is 3.
Okay, so a difference is 3. That is fixed number is called the common difference, that you know that. So here here A. So how to write that arithmetic progression number? So generally arithmetic progression, first term is A, second term is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, so on, A plus n minus 1 into D. We can write like that, so on. So this will give the nth term A plus n minus 1 into D will give the nth term of arithmetic progression. Okay, so the sum of the n terms, like A plus D, A plus 2D. So what about the sum of nth term? Sn is equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3, so on, or A plus D, A plus 2D. Okay, so plus A plus n minus 1 into D, so on. Okay, so here first, second term, third term, so on, nth term, so on, right? The sum of this is given by formula is what, students?
N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d.
Sir, or n by 2 into a plus l.
Okay, right. So if you know that in sum is a finite sum, like Sn is equal to a plus d. So we can stop at we know that the last number L. If we till it is a finite series, then Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus L. L is the last term. Okay, here L is a last term, and here you have to remember some properties of arithmetic progression. This will be very helpful in solving OBT problems. So what are the properties of arithmetic progression? Here the properties, the first one is, so if they mention, like here, if each term of AP, arithmetic progression, either it is increased or decreased or multiplied or divided by same multiply dividing with non-zero value, non-zero number, the resulting sequence also will be in AP alone. For example, I want to take 2, 4, 6, so on. If I multiply with 2, multiply with 2 or multiply with 2. So 2, 8, sorry, 4, 8, 12, so on. This is a given sequence. Multiply with 2. Again, this is also a sequence in AP. Now, the given sequence, this I want to dividing with 2. Dividing with 2. Like 1, 2, 3, so on. Is it in AP arithmetic progression or not? The given sequence. Okay, this is the equation 1. I multiplied with 2. I divided with 2. Next, I want to subtract some. I want to subtract with 1. When I subtract with 1, 1, 3, 5, so on. This is also in AP. Okay. So even if you're adding that, 2 plus 1, 3, 3, 5, like that, your wish. So that is also in AP sequence. So in each term of the AP, either increase or decreased or multiplied or divided by in same non-zero number. Then the required the sequence also, the resulting sequence also in AP. That is first property, common property. So I hope that you know all these properties. Anyhow, just we are revising. So if they mention especially very important point, I am going to tell you now. Very important point. So three numbers are in AP. The question may ask in geometry or calculus or vectors or 3D anywhere. So if three numbers are in AP, if they mention three numbers are in AP, such that we can evaluate some like a differentiation value or integration value or trigonometric value. So what are the three numbers you want to consider in AP?
A minus D, A plus D.
Good. Three numbers in AP. Or
Sir,
you
if
can
it is
take
four
as
numbers,
A minus D, A plus D. Four numbers means
A plus D, yes, sir.
four
A
numbers.
minus
sir,
2D,
A
A minus
minus
D, A
D,
plus D, A plus 2D.
A minus
2D, sir.
A minus 2, A
3D.
minus.
No. A minus not 2D, A minus 3D.
Yes,
If you
sir.
take A minus 2D, okay, take
Sir,
A minus
then
2D.
five terms. A minus D,
Five terms.
A plus D,
A
and A
plus D.
minus.
Yeah. See, for four terms, what are the numbers we can consider in AP? For four.
Sir, A
A
minus
minus,
3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D.
yes, exactly. You can take like that. You may get doubts, sir. If it is four number, why don't we take A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus D, A plus 2D? So what will happen here?
Calculation is tough, sir.
Yeah, no, not calculation. Is it in AP actually? Not in AP. Observe here. Difference is same. So what is the difference here? Okay,
Sir,
D
from
alone.
A minus
D.
D, it is same.
Yeah, here alone we are getting 2D difference. Remaining okay. Here it is, the difference is D. Okay, it is not in AP. Don't take if they mention four numbers like A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D like that. Okay, so we should take A minus 3D. Now observe the difference. Difference must be equal. Difference is 2D, difference is 2D, difference is 2D. These are the four. If they mention five numbers in
Sir,
AP,
A minus
A minus
2D, A
2D,
minus A,
A minus
A plus
3D.
A,
D, A plus 2D.
now
A,
it is okay.
A plus 2D.
A plus 2D. Now these are the five numbers are in AP. Even six numbers also, if they mention six numbers, then even number, when you observe that
A
even
minus
numbers,
5D, A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3,
exactly.
A plus 4.
A minus
Four,
5D, sir. A minus
four,
3D, A minus.
yeah. Four becomes starting with A minus 3D, ending with A plus 3D. If it is six means six is a even number. Six is a even number means starting with A minus 5D. 6 minus 1, 5. 4 minus 1, 3. Like that. Okay. Okay, students. So I hope that you understood like And also few more properties are there actually in arithmetic progression. Okay, that common difference, when you take that common
So
difference,
arithmetic mean,
yes,
arithmetic mean
arithmetic mean
E
we will
equal to
discuss
N.
after the progression we will discuss. See Amma, I'm going to explain the properties. These properties may not, some few properties may not belongs to even NCERT also. NCERT questions are very very easy here. We can easily complete the exercise within half an hour. Look at here. So what is the first question when you observe here? What is the first question? Write the write the first five terms each of the
So if you
sequence
substitute
in
E equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you get the answer.
That's
Item.
it. That's it. So very easy questions. First exercise. They are asking first five terms. Nth term is given. Nth term is given. Substitute n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are going to get first five terms. Okay. So try to understand the concept, but NCRT problems are very very easy. In that the last exercise as well as the miscellaneous alone, we're having more number of problems, and few problems are lengthy but easy. But first exercise is very very easy. First, let us do one thing. First, we'll finish it this exercise. So all of you do this problem. First one, all of you write the first five terms. What is the nth term they have given? Yes, students. An is equal to right. Now, yes, students. The first
Sir,
five,
3, sir, 3, 8, 15, 24, 35.
yeah, the first five terms of the sequence are given by. You have to write like this in NCERT. Given by taking or putting n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then A1. When n is equal to 1, what is A1, students? 1 into 1 plus 2, that is 1 into 3, that is equal to 3. A2 is equal to 1 into, sorry, A2 means 2 into. Substitute when n is equal to 2. A2 means n value is 2. 2 into 2 plus 2. 2 into 4, 8. A3. A3 is 3 into 3 plus 2. That is what? 3 into 5, 15. A4. 4 into 4 plus 2. 4 into 6. What is 4, 6? 24. A5. 5 into 5 plus 2. 5 into 7. 35. Okay. Clear, students?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, all of you do this second one. Faster. All of you do second one, and I'm going to few questions like second, fifth, sixth. Do it now fast. Here it is 2, 2 square is 4, 2 cube is 8. Okay, next 16. Yes, 32. That's all. So this is also easy, but all of you do second, fifth, sixth. I'll ask within 2 minutes, right? Fastly. Yeah. Now I'm going to ask you. Yeah, Nikosh. Sherwin Nikosh. Can you tell me the first five terms of the uh, second one?
Yes,
What are
sir.
the first five terms?
Sir, 1 by 2,
Okay.
2 by 3,
2 by 3, right?
3 by 4,
3 by
4 by
4,
5, 5 by 6.
4 by 5.
5 by 6, sir.
That's all. Yeah. Next, correct all. Uh, Next one is that, yeah, Kenson Francis, can you tell me what are the
Sir,
first five terms of the question number 5?
sir, just a minute, sir.
Yes. Everyone do it first. If you completed first 6, then you can finish it to this question number 17 to 17. Sorry, not 7, 8, 9, 10. These are also very easy. Nth term is given. They are asking particular terms. 17th term means substitute n is equal to 17 here. Seventh term means substitute n is equal to 7. 20th term means substitute n is equal to 20. Okay. A substitute n is equal to 9. That's it. Compared to first 6, this 7, 8, 9, 10 is easy because they ask just only one or two terms, particular terms. Yeah, Francis.
Sir, 25
25.
minus 125,
Oh, minus 125
625
plus 625 minus,
minus 3125,
okay, 3125 plus,
15,625.
see here, plus or minus alternatively because minus 1 whole power n minus 1. Okay, and it is multiple of 5. 25 5 is a 125, 5 is a 625, 5 is a 3125, 5 is a 5625. Yes?
Is this a AP, sir?
No, not required here. Easier they mention in AP. Don't confuse
Sir,
here.
it's a
2 power.
sequence.
It is just they given nth term. They are asking first 5 terms. It is not in AP. Sometimes not, maybe in GP. Maybe in AP, maybe in GP, maybe in HP. Few of them there may not be any sequence here. For example, third one is GP. Here fifth one is, what is fifth one? Fifth one is again GP.
G.
Okay. So then when you observe here, is it in AP? No. They are asking, just they given nth term, they are asking to find the first 5 terms. So we don't want whether it is AP, GP or HP, right? Right. This is absolutely right. In the same way, sixth one completed. I hope that everyone completed sixth one also.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts somewhat till sixth? I think so. No one having any doubt till question number 10. What is 17th term? 17th term here? Substitute 4 into 17 minus 3. Yes.
Sir, can you do the fifth sum alone, sir?
Fifth sum.
Sir, sixth
Which
one.
one? Sixth one. Right. See, shall I do here? When I substitute n is equal to 1, A1 is 1 into 1 square plus 5 by 4. Nothing but 6 by 4. Nothing but 3 by 2. This is the first term. Second term, A2. 2 times of, okay, 4 plus 5 by 4.
By 4, sir. 18 by 4 equal to 9 by 2.
So what about the book back? Is it right?
A3 equal to 9 plus
So
5, 14 by 4, 7 by
21
2,
by 2.
21 by 2, sir.
so how much it is? A3
21 by
is
2.
21 by 2. A4?
A4 equal to 21, sir.
A4 is equal to 20?
21, sir.
21,
21.
sir.
A5 finally
75 by 2, sir.
75 by 2. Is it clear, Mirdun?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 75 by 2.
Right, right. So after doing whatever the problem you do, so after doing that, you can check book back answer. So 7th question. Answer. What is
65 and
A?
93, sir.
65 and 90?
93.
Right. So what is the question number 10? A20. Replace n by 20. 20 into 20 minus 2, that is 18 by 23.
E60 by 23.
Yes,
E60 by 23.
360, 23. Right. Now here, what is A9?
Sir, 729.
Plus or minus?
Plus 729.
Because you know A9, 9
Sir,
minus
9
1,
minus
minus,
3 is
yes,
1, sir. 1 into 9 cube, sir. 9 cube is 729.
minus 1 whole power 8 into 9 cube. This is the answer. So the minus 1 whole power 8 is plus 1. That is 729. Students, these are very, very easy. See, here also say write the first 5 terms each of the sequence in exercise 1 to 13. Obtain the corresponding series. Okay, so right now, see here A1 first term they have given, nth term they have given. Okay, they asking for all n greater than 1. N greater than 1 means with help of this A1 substitute A2, A3, A4, so on. Okay, we are going to get some particular sequence here. So how many terms we need to find? First 5 terms. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. For finding this, what shall we do, Amma? To get A2, what is the n value we need to substitute here? Clearly condition is given. N greater than 1. You should not substitute n is equal to 1 because we are going to get A 1 minus 1 A naught. What is the value of A naught? They do not given that. So substitute n is equal to 2. When n is equal to 2, A2 is equal to 3 times of A into 2 minus 1 plus 2. Nothing but A2 is equal to 3A1 plus 2. What is A1 value? Already they have given. A1 is 3. So second term becomes 3 into 3 plus 2, that is 11. Yeah, we got it, the second term 11. So they are asking first 5 terms. Till now we found 2 terms. In the same way A3, A4, A5. To find A3, what shall we do here? Substitute n is equal to 3 here. Here 3 minus 1, 2. Already A2 we got 11. Like that till question number 13 or even question number 14 also. Fibonacci sequence. I'm going to explain you what is the mean by Fibonacci sequence. Okay. Clear, students? Time off. So